ocean. Yo, yeah man. Every day the same old fight. Busy streets and sleepless nights. Too many voices in my head. Too much pain I never said. So I walk away before my soul breaks. Too much noise in my life. Too much stress deep inside. Now I need some peace tonight under Jamaica skies. Too much noise in my life. Too many tears I hide. Reggae heal my weary mind and make my spirit fly. Ocean wind upon my face, far away from that dark place. Slow guitar beside the sea. That's the life I wanna keep. No more chains around my soul. Tonight I finally let go. Too much noise in my life. Now I leave it all behind. With this reggae by my side, everything feels alright. Too much noise in my life. Too many tears I hide. Reggae heal my weary mind and make my spirit fly. Dancing on the waves, cool wind blowing through the haze. Far away from city lights, I can finally breathe tonight. No more running, no more fear. By the ocean, reggae healing my emotions. Every wave washes pain away. Now my soul just wants to stay. Slow nights by the ocean, peaceful heart and slow motion. Underneath these island skies, I feel free and so alive. Beside the fire, simple life is my desire. Jah knows what my soul needs. Quiet nights and ocean breeze, slow nights by the ocean, sweet reggae and deep devotion. Now the world feels far away, and my heart can finally stay. Slow nights by the ocean, peaceful heart and slow motion. Underneath these island skies, I feel free and so alive. Slow nights, slow nights by the ocean, sweet reggae and deep devotion. Oh yeah, Jamaica, peace found me. Long roads under pouring rain, heavy heart filled up with pain. Then I saw the ocean light, everything just felt so right. Warm breeze touching my skin, a new life begins. Peace found me in Jamaica, where the nights feel so much better. Reggae songs beside the sea brought my soul back into me. Peace found me in Jamaica, far away from all the pressure. Now my heart can slowly heal, and this freedom feels so real. Palm trees swaying in the dark, soft guitar and glowing sparks. No more noise inside my brain, only peace remains. Jah gave me another way to finally escape the pain. Peace found me in Jamaica, where the nights feel so much better. Reggae songs beside the sea brought my soul back into me. Peace found me in Jamaica, far away from all the pressure. Now my heart can slowly heal, and this freedom feels so real. Peace found me in Jamaica, now my spirit feels much lighter. Under moonlight by the shore, I don't hurt no more. No more chasing fancy cars, just the moon and quiet waves. Simple life is what I crave. No deadlines, no heavy chains, no rush under the moonlight. Everything's gonna be alright. Slow reggae playing so sweet, warm sand underneath my feet. No rush under the moonlight, peace of soul and clear blue skies. Leave the pressure far behind and let your spirit unwind. Old bar playing roots reggae, people smiling through the rain. One cold drink inside my hand, I finally understand. Life feels better moving slow. That's the only way I know. No rush under the moonlight, hearts are free and stars are bright. With this music in my soul, I don't need the world no more. No rush under the moonlight, peaceful soul and clear blue skies. Leave the pressure far behind and let your spirit unwind. Under the moonlight, hearts are free and stars are bright. With this music in my soul, I don't need the world no more. No rush under the moonlight, peaceful soul and clear blue skies. Leave the pressure far behind and let your spirit unwind. No rush, hearts are free and stars are bright. Finally free, oh Lord. So many years lost in the rain, carrying stress and needing pain. Now the ocean calls my name and I don't feel the same. I let it go and heal my soul. My soul finally feels free, like the wind above the sea. Sweet reggae surrounding me, this is where I wanna be. My soul finally feels free, no more darkness over me. Underneath Jamaica skies, I feel alive tonight. Palm trees moving nice and slow, moonlight with a golden glow. Every scar fades away with the music that I play. No more fear inside my heart, this is my breath.